We are on our way to go ATVing in Hells Canyon in Whitebird, Idaho. No guide, we're on our own for half a day.
We're Dave and Karen from Walks on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&M motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. We took a 30-minute ride to get to Killgore Adventures through the mountains, and Zippy, our smart car, did not mind the 7% grade. He did great through the mountains. We have arrived. Killgore Adventures. We made reservations in advance online. It cost us $349 for half a day, and we think it was worth it. Once we got there, we went into the store and we got the equipment that we needed because you have to wear helmets while you're on the highway. They fixed us up with the new side-by-side Polaris, which was a real nice machine, and we headed off into the mountains. This little footbridge to check it out. Is Idaho beautiful or what? Salmon River. Amazing. Then after we came down from the mountain, we found another road that wasn't as tree-lined, but it was amazing going up very high into the mountain overlooking the valley.
How's that for a view?
That is a view. There's your towers.
is an RV park right on the river, $35 a night, $300 a month plus power on the highway, but look at this view.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.